Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11E, beginning at mile 66 in Greeneville, Tennessee. We have an overlap with State Route 34 East, and almost immediately here, we gain concurrency with US 321 Truck and a very short concurrency with State Route 70. We missed it at the end of the last video, but this junction is also the southern end of the Greeneville US-11E business route. This is the only business route on US-11E. Several videos back, we crossed US 321 at Lenoir City and promised that we'd see it again before the end of the series. Greeneville was home of 17th President Andrew Johnson for much of his adult life, and US-11E here is named in his honor. Here the US 321 truck bypass ends and we join the US 321 main line. We see the north end of the US-11E business route, and we pick up a concurrency with State Route 107. We pulled over for lunch at this Hardee's. Yes, believe it or not, 22 videos into this day of filming since we left Chattanooga, and it's just lunchtime. We entered the city of Tusculum, which had a population of 3,298 as of the 2020 census. The city was built around Tusculum University, founded in 1794, the oldest college in Tennessee and the 28th oldest in the United States. We conclude today's video at mile 74. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.